again on YouTube. I'm back again with another unboxing, and this is another Blu-ray unboxing, and it is Doctor Who Planet of the Dead. Got this off Amazon for £3.50, so it was extremely cheap. So if you like Doctor Who and this special, so go and get it. Well, it's on offer for £3.50. So that's the spine, the front, David Tennant and that. The back. So let's crack it up and see what we get. Should be getting a new series of Doctor Who as well soon, Series 6 Part 1. Blu-ray. There we go. Doctor Who Planet of the Dead. And it's got Doctor Who Confidential. So that's that. Back. So that's that. So thanks for watching. Remember to comment, thumbs up, and subscription is very appreciated.